What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about Myaddsup. I want to do an update because I haven't did a video on this since it launched a couple months ago. But I just wanted to share that I just uh, I just moved to Group 8. I mean Group 8. Moved to Group 4. And in Group 4, your daily earnings is $1.32. So I'll be earning $1 a day. And I started this with $5, and I basically just kept repurchasing the ad pack. 'Cause the ad packs cost $1, and basically like they have different groups, but you have to have a certain amount of bonus ad points in order to earn the different daily earnings. And it's kind of a little milestone because I've been I was in Group 3. Well, I think it was, I started out in I think I started out like Group 2, and now I'm in Group 4. I just bought another ad pack, and that put me in Group 4 now. So, but I basically just wanted to share that. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're looking to make money online. But basically, as you can see, tomorrow I'll be able to, in my repurchase wallet, since I'll be making $1.32, it'll be the 32 cents will be going into my repurchase wallet. So that'll that'll put me be able to buy another ad pack, and then since I'm earning $1, then I'll be able to buy another dollar ad pack. So now this will start to speed up a little bit, since I'll be able to buy at least one ad pack every day. And so that should be so I should be able to buy ad pack every day, and then on every third day or fourth day I should be able to buy one from my repurchase. So that'll be like 21,000, maybe 24,000 bonus ad points a week. And it's this is going pretty well, and I'll show you what has been paid out. As you can see, the payouts have been 320,000, and it's been over 2 million visits, and we're at 23,763 members. I haven't really pushed this. As you can see, I got 4 referrals, so you can see that I haven't shared my link. I think I did, like, I ran some traffic like one time, and I haven't really did nothing with it since. This is just basically running in the background because I started my own t-shirt brand, so I've been more focused on the t-shirt brand. But I'm getting ready to start adding more funds to this to move this to move this up, because my goal is to get to Group 12 at least by the end of the year, and then I'll be able to withdraw. And basically, I can withdraw. I'm gonna withdraw $100 each day, and that'll be 3,000 a month coming in just from this. And then, then that's extra income. Plus, I work a job too. So, but I just wanted to share this little milestone, and I'll leave my link in the description if you want to check this out. Check it out. And you can I'll leave my Facebook in the end here too. You can reach out to me if you have any questions about getting started or anything like that. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on next video. Peace.